Ganda lahat.
Ganda ni Mitch
Ganda
Del
nila lahat.
Carmen at saka ni
Ganda.
Ariel Asher.
Yun yung reaction natin.
Ganda.
Yan, syempre makakasama natin tonight ang nagpasabog sa opening games natin. Of course, Signal HD Spikers. Ang pinakamalapit sa solid Signal heart ko, syempre si Ate Jack Janela.
Yes!
And we'll be having also the bomb nung Saturday, Ariel Usher.
Yes! Fantastic. Welcome to the Philippines, Ariel. How has it been so far?
Thank you. It's been awesome. Been really fun to come here. I've never been to Asia or the Philippines, obviously. Everyone's so nice. It's been just a great experience so far.
What can you say about the opening game? Were you surprised that the venue was full packed by
Yeah, so we
fans?
got there pretty early, and we already saw a line out the door, like people waiting. So that was just awesome to see. I didn't know how many fans to expect or anything like that. So the venue was great. It was packed. It was a lot of fun, and it was a great first game.
What was your reaction the first time you saw Jack? That you are a very tall person,
Yeah.
and Jack,
He's a very
Jack
not so.
is not very tall.
Just like,
I mean, it's fine. She does her job
Very
very,
well.
very
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
So, I mean, her size really doesn't matter, but she's like half my size. So
Yeah.
I feel really large next to her.
Don't worry, Jack is very large in my heart as well.
Exactly.
Jack is in my heart also.
Yeah.
She's-
Huwag naman gayaan ng line,
She's in
Pops.
everyone's
Huwag naman
heart.
natin gayaan.
Hindi, ako, nauna ako kay Jack eh. Second ka lang.
Talagang lambutan portion na talaga to. Pinanindigan na.
Go, sige, yan.
Actually, si Jack kasi, siya yung tinaguri ang PSL. It stands for Pocket Size Libero. Dahil literally kasya sa pocket ni ano.
She could fit in my pocket.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Pero
Yeah, go.
Pero balita ko kahapon, naglinis ka na naman ng court. Kamusta ba yung game, yung first game? At balita ko, come from behind yung pagkapanalo natin. And syempre, di ba, napakadikit ng laban. You ended at 16-14. So, kamusta yung experience ng first game?
Actually, nung first game, after overwhelming, syempre, nakalimutan na nga namin kumain after. Sobrang saya. Yung first game, we started slow, I think. Tapos nung third set, medyo nagising na kami na, teka, hindi na pwede to. So, yun, we came from behind. So, tas syempre, nag-work yung the bomb. Then, with Amanda, pati yung mga teammates namin. So, it was all teamwork, sabi nga nila.
So, kung hindi ka pa nakakain, pwede naman tayo
Kumain sa labas.
Huwag ganon!
Showbiz, meron yan.
Oo. Sige, Jo. Okay,
Yeah, are you
question
single
ka?
right now?
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Yes.
Very good question.
interesting.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Do
si
you-
Ariel, meron
Ariel?
naman siyang
Are you have-
fiancé.
Have significant other?
That I do.
She showed me her eyes earlier. It's
Oh.
really...
I mean,
Precious
he did a really good job.
I mean, then I can't do anything right now.
Yeah.
May fiancé. Matindi.
You know what, Ariel? You're like a dictionary for me.
Oh.
Why?
Sige.
Why is that?
Because you give me meaning in my life right now.
Oh my God.
Eto, lumabas naman tayo sa volleyball.
Yan.
Dahil aside from volleyball, I heard si Jack nag-archery daw. Namamana.
Ay!
Ano ba yun?
Alam mo, ako, green archer ako eh.
Baka parain niya yung puso mo.
Mm.
So tell us more about this experience. Yung pagpana-pana.
Yung
Ayan,
una,
Ay,
Uy.
wow!
May dating.
Ang ganda ni Jack talaga. Nakasalamin o walang
Miss
salamin.
Severdeen.
Yeah.
Wow, right?
That's her idol
Yeah.
action.
I know.
So how long have you been doing this?
a year pa lang. A year.
What made you want to do it? I mean, napaka-obscure naman ng sport na biglang gusto mo mag-archery, no?
Wala lang, kasi nung napanood ko lang yung mga movies na about,
Idol
may mga
niya eh.
archery. So, nahook ako. So, I wanted to try. So,
Panahin mo na si Aaron!
yan,
Sample nga nung
Yeah.
form mo.
Yeah, no.
Pakitutok sa puso ni Aaron.
Hindi na niya kailangan.
Kasi si Aaron. Tumama
Wala
na,
ka
tumama na.
Hindi, kasi mahirap din siya kasi kailangan hindi ka pasmado. Kailangan...
Pa-check nga kung
Pa-check lang! Pa-check lang!
Check natin.
Hindi ako pasmado
Testing,
eh.
testing. Yan,
Hindi.
yan.
Oo.
Yan.
Ay!
Aray!
Hindi.
May chemistry ha.
Chilak!
Bagay.
Chilak. What about you? I
You
mean,
do
you have
other
any...
sport?
Yeah, other hobbies?
I like to play tennis. It's a lot like volleyball. The net is a lot lower, so that's fun.
Uh-huh.
In Oregon, I coach volleyball.
Are you from Oregon? Portland?
Yes.
Me
so,
too. From the Bay
yeah.
Area. I'm from Bay Area.
Oh,
Bay Area
okay,
in
so
Portland.
close.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mga input ni Jojo mahahalaga.
Yes.
Okay, continue what you do.
No, yeah, so I coach in Oregon, in the States. Just a lot of volleyball. It's fun.
You tell us more about your family because I heard you came from a sports family talaga. Your dad was a professional
Motocross.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
your mom was...
My mom played volleyball in college. She played at Chaminade in Hawaii.
Wow.
Yeah, so I got into volleyball because
Of your
both
mom.
both my grandmas played, and then both my parents played as well, and they were my coaches when I was younger too.
So how was your experience growing up as an athlete? There was full support from your family.
Oh yeah, full support all the way through. They wanted me to try different sports because they loved volleyball, and they didn't want everyone to think that I just chose volleyball because they loved it. But yeah, I fell in love with the sport at a very young age and continued playing ever since.
There's no like pressure being a third generation volleyball player?
No,
No?
no. I feel like everyone in our family is like, "Are you gonna be better than me?" Or
That's good. Right?
yeah, we're all competitive, so competitive.
So for
Yeah.
Ariel and Jack, diba, Signal was the first ever champion in this league. So, but the past few conferences, we actually fell short. So, what do you think can both of you do para, win back the glory days?
Actually, yung difference nung nakaraan sa ngayon, it's more of, may reception, tsaka merong defense. So maganda kasi yung defense, balikan kahapon ng bola.
So siya may kasalanan. Sa amin
Carmela,
din.
ikaw may kasalanan.
Hindi, actually, that was our
Kasalanan.
problem. Di ba, Mela? First ball talaga. So, we had good first ball kahapon. So, kaya the result, maganda yung attacks.
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We'll talk more with our lovely PSL guests in just a little bit when we return here at Sports 360.
Loving you till we're 17.